Hey, what up, decisive marketers? And in today's video, right, we're going to be talking about yet another LMS solution. Okay, and at the start, I didn't really have a very good impression, but as I start to make use of CourseMaker, I kind of get what they are trying to achieve, right? And I think it's a very good idea, right? However, there are still some limitations to this tool itself, but in general I would say that I feel a little bit positive about what they do, and it's called CourseMaker, right? CourseMaker. Okay, but before we dive into CourseMaker, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing or e-commerce content. And if you are a lifetime deal or software enthusiast, be sure to check out the links in the video description to join my Facebook groups. Right, so let's dive in to CourseMaker. So this is the CourseMaker dashboard. Okay, so you can create one thing good about CourseMaker is that if you have clients, right, so if you have clients and multiple different clients, you can create multiple schools and manage them within CourseMaker itself, right? You can manage them within CourseMaker itself. So the first one that we have right here is a school that I've already created. Okay, so let's dive in. And this is the dashboard. It tells you, how much money have you made and stuff like that, right? And individual courses, how much have you made. The plan that I have right now, okay, if you are using they have three different plans right here. You got a starter plan, standard plan, and maker plan. So if you have the starter plan, you can only have one single course, one single admin user. With the standard plan, you can have 5 courses. With the maker plan, you can have unlimited courses, right? So let's so I can only have one course right here. Okay, so and then when people sign up to CourseMaker, you can have the users, you know all your students information right here, right? And then payment, they've got Stripe, they've got Paddle. You can set up your prices once your course has been set up, and also of course coupons after your prices has been set up as well. Okay, and we got in terms of currency, you can only have a USD right now. So what I think is that they do have a EU and UK VAT reporting, right? So however, you're not really able to accept any currency from any other kind of currency except US dollars right now. So I do think that it might not be working right now. It could possibly be on their roadmap, right? So it's an additional feature that they will add on later, right? Because it's shown in here, right? Next is settings. You can set your title, your Google Analytics tracking ID, and you can put your logo. You can put a custom domain as well, right? So you can set up your own custom domain. Okay. However, okay, if I go into this is my course page. If you scroll to the bottom, there is a powered by CourseMaker. I don't see an option to remove that. It could be I don't have access to remove it, or the option is not available, or it's not available yet, right? So so that's something to take note of right now. Okay, so you can't really do complete white labeling, right? Right, so this is your billing page. Okay, so let's dive in to the course itself. Okay, so you've got your curriculum. This is where you set up all your individual lectures and sections, and you've got the course landing page, course media, author details. Okay, and one thing different about CourseMaker is that they use this kind of language to to kind of create your content on your pages, and it's called Markdown, right? So I'm not a developer or anything like that, so I don't really know what it is, right? It's some kind of a language, I guess. And with the Markdown, although it seems a little bit complicated, it's actually very simple to use, right? So you can go to Markdown Guide, because they even put it in here, right? Markdown Guide, and you can go to the cheat sheet, and you can easily make use of this, right? So if I were to paste this in, okay, so so then you have your this is your heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, something like that. Okay, then testimonials, FAQ, context. You can see, I just put in something like this. And settings, you got a title of your course, any subtitles, and pricing. You have to go back to the school page to set that up. Okay, so next is the lesson itself. If I were to click on this, okay, if you want to create a lesson, you just need to click on the you can add the section or add lecture within the section itself, and click on this pencil icon, and you can upload a video, which pretty much all online courses would use a video, and files. So these are any reference materials that you require within that particular lecture itself. And then you got Markdown. This is where you actually enter the text in the lesson itself, right? So you can have this piece of text just below the downloadable files sections, and also interactive coding. I don't really know what this is, but I have found a simple script online, and we can actually set up a simple console in there. I have done so as well, right? So I'm gonna show you right here. I'm just click on my courses, click on view courses, and click on view, and this is the video. Okay, so one thing cool about CourseMaker is that it comes with video hosting for you, right? So it comes with video hosting for you. You can host your course videos with them. So there's no need for you to find a video host like Vimeo and all that, which you'll be paying a lot of money for. You can use CourseMaker, and it does it for you, right? Because and I think that they use the Amazon S3 for video hosting as well, because any files that you upload to CourseMaker, it's actually from their Amazon S3 CDN right here that you can download from. You just look at the URL at the bottom left. Alright, okay, so this is a video, and I've added a video, I've added the a downloadable file, I've added a markdown section, and this is the interactive coding section, right? Interactive coding section, and I've just found some random scripts online, and then I can just run code. So this is a console right here. Okay, so it's very interesting tool right here. Then we can go on to lesson 2, right? This is the title of the lesson. And pretty much this is what CourseMaker does. Okay, so you can see that the video loads pretty fast, right? Just one spin and it's starting to load, right? So one thing to also take note of is that they have these terms and policy privacy policy pages. It doesn't seem like I can edit or remove them as well, so that's something to take note of. Okay, so they do state that there is out of the box SEO, okay, and out of the box GDPR compliance. So if I were to copy this and put this onto a incognito window, okay, it shows this site uses cookies ... I don't seem to be able to edit this bar as well, okay, and it does not state whether I actually can whether I or CourseMaker actually keep all the consent for tracking as well, right? So that's something I'm not really sure about. Right, so these are a few things, and they have one issue as well, is that the first 10 sales per month is free, but subsequent sales after that, so your 11, your 12, your 13 sales after that, you are paying a $2 fee. You're paying a $2 fee, right? So this one, if you have the standard plan, it's $1 per course fee, and for the maker plan, it's 25 cents per course sale fee, right? After 50, right? After 50 sales. Okay, so and they have unlimited videos, as I mentioned, right? So free video hosting, as in video hosting comes with their plan. Okay, and pretty much that's what I can see with CourseMaker, right? So overall, I feel that CourseMaker is definitely still a product in progress. Okay, but the ability for you to create multiple schools is great if you are running an agency. The downside of CourseMaker is that it's not able to, there's no marketing features at all, so it's really just mostly an LMS, right? Mostly an LMS, and there's no integrations at all. At least it's not being stated there. There's no API, no webhooks. But how I feel about CourseMaker is that everything is if everything that you need in LMS, that you kind of need in LMS, right? A simple LMS, CourseMaker has it, right? CourseMaker has it. It has video hosting for you, and it's very fast. You've got, you can upload downloadable files, you can put content on the page itself, and if you run any coding courses, you can put a console in there for your students to mess around with, right? Of course, it does not have any notes, bookmarks, FAQ, like a questions section for students to post in, right? So that's something to take note of. Overall, I feel that if you just need a simple LMS for you to upload your lessons in, CourseMaker seems to be a great option for you, right? And pretty much that's all for my video today. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.